everyone, my name is Diane, aka Savvy Pink Lady. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a planner video. This is my beloved Louis Vuitton MM agenda in the monogram canvas, and I recently purchased this agenda, which is the same exact one by Louis Vuitton in the MM size, but it's in the Damier Ebene pen. And so I wanted to move into this new agenda today. And as we are moving in, I am actually out of my monthly spreads for the year. As you can see, here's my December spread, and that's it. So to show you my actual monthly spreads, look how much extra writing space I have compared to the Filofax personal size. And even with it folded up, I can still close it up without it really interfering with the little buckle there. So I ended up making these monthly spreads by myself using Microsoft Word, regular printer paper, and making it. And so if you're interested and you want to know step by step how to make these monthly spreads yourself, keep on watching. And if you really enjoyed today's video, I would love for you to like it, as well as subscribe and follow along. So let's get started. The supplies that you will need today. The first thing is you will need some sort of computer or laptop to make the physical layouts in Microsoft Word, and then you'll need a printer. And then I printed these off. I'm going to make layouts January through July of 2023. I just printed it off on regular computer paper. It's just one per month. And then the next thing you will need is some sort of planner. So this is my current one. This is the Louis Vuitton MM Agenda in Monogram. I just recently got this one, and it's the Damier Ebene in the MM size. And then you'll need some scissors. You'll need a 3-hole punch. And this one I got on Amazon. I think it is around $20. I'll link it down below, and you can adjust it to fit these like smaller size planners. And then you'll need stuff to decorate your layout. So I have a lot of different sticker books. Most of them are from Happy Planner, and most of these I buy on sale. So you can see here, I like the ones with like motivational quotes. So as you can see, I've had some of these for a really long time. But you can always find these on sale at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. So this one has all the ones with the holidays, and there's one for the holidays. Just cute little stickers to decorate the pages, which I will show you. Here's an Essential Plannings one, and then Empowering Women. You can see here, I have so many different stickers. I have more over there. Those are also some that I got off Amazon as well. And then the last thing you'll need, and I actually think this is really important, but you'll need washi tape. Doesn't really matter which kind, and as you can see here, I have a lot of different colors and designs. And that's pretty much it. So let's get started. This is just Microsoft Word. To start off, I like to change my orientation to landscape. Then we are going to type the month and the year. So let's pretend we're going to make November. And then we're just going to insert a table. And you're definitely going to need, there are 7 days in a week, so you're going to need 7 columns. And depending on the month, some months have 5 weeks and some months actually have 6 weeks. And then add an additional one and you'll see why. So just 7 by 6, and you can always add more rows if you need. And then so I start off and I will write the days of the week in the top row. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I like my weeks to start on a Sunday, but if you like it on a Monday, you can adjust accordingly. And then now you're just going to drag out the squares, try to eyeball it so they're even. And now I'm just going to pull up a calendar. And so for November 2022, it starts on a Tuesday. So I'm just going to type in each of the numbers in each of the squares. If you want, you can kind of customize it a little bit. Like I like that to be a little bit bigger and bold. And then if you wanted to center each of the days of the week and bold it, you can do that as well. And center it. There we go. And then so you have your rough general layout of the agenda. And if you need to adjust, or you want to, once you have your general layout done, if you want to make it a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger, there's this little square over here in the right bottom corner of the table. If you just click it and drag, you can adjust the entire table as however you like. For my current layout, I have it as approximately 8.5 inches in length this way and 6.75 inches in height this way. I actually had to print it off a couple of times and adjust it a few times to get it to where I like. All right, so now that you have your monthly spreads printed out on regular computer paper, we are going to cut it out to size. When we're cutting it out, you're going to want to leave some extra space on the left side for the holes for the rings. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut along pretty close except for this left side. Let's get started. Now on this left side, because the holes are going to go here, I'm going to leave about an additional 1/2 inch away. Instead of cutting it here, I'm going to scoot it over and leave an extra space for the holes. So as you see here, that way you can see there's extra space here compared to this side on the right side. The next step is we're going to start folding and decorating the sheets. I'm going to fold it so where it's this edge, the right edge, comes to the edge of where the calendar ends. So about there, and you're gonna fold it closed. Okay, now you're gonna do it for each of your months. Now we're going to reinforce the edges of where they're more likely to tear, which would be here along the left side where the holes are. I put washi tape to reinforce the holes, and I also put washi tape here on the outside crease because otherwise, there's a risk as we're opening and closing the calendars that it will rip along here. I have a whole bunch of different washi tape. I'm just randomly grabbing one, and I am going to reinforce the front side as well as reinforce the back side. Okay, so these are where the holes are, just for orientation, and I'm going to reinforce here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just, rather than putting one on each side, I'm actually going to put 1/2 of it there and then fold it over to reinforce the other side. And then we're gonna flip it over and just fold it over to reinforce that edge. If you have extras on the end, you can just feel free and cut off the extras. Now, our pages are completely reinforced. And the next step is then to take the 3-hole punch and be sure to punch the right side. You're going to punch this reinforced side. There we go. We hole punched it. We're all done. All right, so I just finished making all of the rest of the months, just so you can see. I just randomly took different colors because I like it to be really colorful. As you can see, they're all the same layout. They just look different each month because of the different colors. So now I'm just going to go to my sticker book. Let's just start off. This is my newest sticker book. Oh, New Year. Here's a New Year's one. So we can put the New Year. I'm going to put that one here in January. So let's do my New Year sticker. I'm wondering if I should put it here or I'm just going to put it here in the corner. The other thing that I like, so there's extra space up here and down here. So I like to just put stickers. Let's see what else. Let's put some snowflakes and stuff. Sprinkle it around. Here's a cute little Fresh Start ice skater. I'll just put that. Let's put it over there. And let's put Happy New Year. We can put Happy New Year on actual New Year's Day. So that's January. Let's move to February. So in the sticker book, the next page, it seems like it's off love and February stuff. I like coffee, so I love you a latte. I'm going to take this sticker. Look how cute the sticker is. Let's just plop it just randomly right there. Here's a Happy Valentine's Day sticker. So let's look how cute this one is. This is a really cute book. Here's the Happy Valentine's Day sticker. I'm going to put that on Valentine's Day. Right there. Look how cute that looks. Look at this one. Love is in the air with a little heart balloon. I'll plop that down there in the corner. Here's some more. I'm just randomly putting stuff different places. All you really need is love. What does that say? I have a crush on you. I'm going to put this here. And then let's do this one. This one's also really cute. Hashtag mood. And look, there's like cute little hearts with little faces. I'm just going to put that in that box over there. All right, so that's a good start for February. So March, April showers, May flowers, more chocolate please, somewhere over the rainbow. I like this one. Somewhere over the rainbow. So let's just put it over here on the top. Oh, I totally put that as not straight. Okay, let's see. Get your green on. I like this one. And then let's put that. Let's put it over here by March. The top. This one's really cute. Look at this one. You are gold, baby. Solid gold. So it's a pot of gold. Let's just put that right there. Start off the month. And then, so I'm going to put this sticker right here. All right, so St. Patrick's Day is March 17th. Okay, so now let's actually decorate the front of the month. So I like to put stickers here on the front. I leave space right here because I'm going to use my label maker and write a month here. That way I know which page is which month. Let's just grab that one. Live life with a little spice. I'm just going to randomly just start putting it on some random ones. So I'm going to take this good vibes only. And just because it's kind of pink, I'm going to put it on this month and kind of correlate together so it's like the same theme. All right, so yeah, that's kind of, I'm just going to keep decorating. Oh, so like I have these like long strips, and sometimes on the spreads like up here when there's a lot of extra space, I just randomly like to fill the space. So I'm just going to fill it and just put that there. And then, all right, so I just finished making all of these. I'll just show you. So this is what April looks like. Here's the outside. This one is May, and then you can see the outside. Here's February. This one is June. This one is March. Here's January. And then this one is July. So now we're going to move into my new agenda. You just open up my, so this is my pin pouch. This is from Filofax. It's a, I think it's a cash envelope holder, but I like to put my erasable pilot pins in there. So I like to keep that in the front. There we go. And then I have dashboards. So I made these dashboards a long time ago. This is Paris. And I put a gold sticker that says Adventures. These are some old dashboards that I made in the past. These are just pictures that I found on, I think, Pinterest, that I printed off and laminated them. Just some inspirational quotes. And then here's a Paris one. Here's a cat one. Dear beautiful you, remember good things take time. Stay positive and strong. Everything is going to be all right. Here's a book reader. Here's another one. Today, be the boss of your own happiness. Yes, remember that you and only you are in charge of how you feel. Don't forget that. This one says, day by day, goal by goal, you are going to get to where you want to be. You must continue to believe in yourself and your dreams always. Going back to the beginning. I think probably we'll take these. And I'm going to make new ones with my wedding pictures. So let me know, comment down below if you're interested and you want another tutorial on how I make these dashboards. I'm happy to make that for you as well if we need an extra. I actually like that one too because it's sparkly. There, now you can see my old agendas up here, and then this is my new agenda. So let's see, I'm going to put this one because lately I've been into books. We'll put that one as a front one for now. So put that in there and take that one out. And then I just have my goals up here. December, I need to make new goals. And these are my, this section is my weekly section. And then I love these like little binders. I got these, this one I think from Hobby Lobby. It's like the perfect size for the MM. And then now, let's see. So these are to my old monthly section. Right now it is November. I actually like to keep the month before just in case I need to go back and reference. And then, how exciting, I can actually put in my new ones that I made. Now let's see how it looks when it's all closed up. So this is what it looks like from the top. And let's see, so it kind of pokes out a little bit, but it still kind of closes, so that's okay. So if that bothers you, when you make it, just make it a little bit more narrow. And let me do a flip through. So my pens are here. Here's my new dashboard. And then here's my next dashboard that goes to the monthly section. And then right now we're in November. So I'm actually going to put my November tab in here. And then, so November, December, January. Like I said, I got to put my little tabbies. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and then now we're to the next section, which is just like the extras and extra paper, and that's it. So that's so exciting. I'm excited to have moved into my new agenda. If you like today's video, comment down below, or also I would love to have you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.